pleasant wish from Krishang Dogra, roll number 23, class 8B, and from DLDAB Model School, Pitampura, ND Block. Today I am going to tell you about cybercrime. Today we will confess about some questions which run in our minds when we talk about cybercrime. That what are cybercrimes? What are the types of cybercrimes? How to be safe from them? What is a technical definition of cybercrimes? So, I will give you all the answers in this slide. So, let's see. There are basically 5 types of cybercriminals: the social engineers, the spear fishers, the hackers, the rogue employees, and the ransom artists. So, what are the social engineers? Let's see in detail. So, the social engineers are basically of many types: phishing attacks type, water holes, whaling attacks, pretexting, baiting, and quick pro attacks, tailgating, references. So, these are the basic attacks of social engineering. Username and password. This is basically called the spear phishing. Spear phishing is an email or an electronic communication scam targeted towards specific individuals, organization, or business. Although often intended to steal data from malicious purposes, cyber criminals may also intend to install malware on a targeted user's computer. So, be protected. What are the hackers basically? We are learning about hackers only here. Everyone is a hacker on a computer who can make fake websites. But let's see the technical definition of a hacker. A hacker is an individual who uses computer, networking, or other skills to overcome a technical problem. The term hacker may refer to anyone with technical skills, but it often returns to a person who uses his or her abilities to gain unauthorized access to systems or networks in order to commit crimes. So, now we will talk about the ransom artist in detail after the rogue employees. What are the rogue employees basically? The rogue employees are the people who are in your service and they physically don't like you. There can be many reasons about that. You are not giving that much salary to them, so that they are angry with them, and you are sharing all the username and ID passwords with them. So it can harm you if the rogue employee can hack your computer and blackmail up you. So there is no law about them, so they should be fired if they are in your service, or you should contact with your manager to get them fired quickly. So let's talk about ransomware, the most important cybercrime. Ransomware is designed to prey upon human nature, as anyone who has been the victim of an attack will know the ransom demand can invoke a range of emotions from fear and anxiety to anger and embarrassed and even guilt. These are the reasons of 20% suicides in the world. So, why should we know about cybercrime? In this tech-savvy world of 21st century, everyone is engaged with network. Through WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, net banking, and lots of other platforms are there. And some criminal-minded persons commit crimes which is included under cybercrime. So we should be aware about crimes happening around in cyberspace. What is technical definition of cybercrime? This was the biggest doubt I thought. Cybercrime refers to a crime that involves a computer, mobile, and a network. The computer may have been used in the commission of a crime, or it may be the target. What is a cybercrime in simple theory? So let's take an example. When you purchase a home, it comes with a door and a lock. You always ensure the door lock exists and working properly. You may even purchase the security systems. Well, why should you not secure your investments? Right? Likewise, your system is your home, and your security tools and your door locks and your security tools. Cyber laws. There are absolutely no comparative laws in cybercrime anywhere in the world. This is the reason that investigating agencies like FBI are finding the cyberspace to be an extremely difficult terrain. So you cannot be found out too. So please, it's a request, antivirus your computer so that no hackers are there. Conclusion: the key to protecting yourself is being aware. Not all cyber criminals are hackers. There is a whole other world that exists in cyberspace. Make sure that your information travels safely. Stay secure, stay safe. So, now we will learn how to tackle these situations. Awareness is the first step in protecting yourself, your family, and your business. We should share our tortures in between so that we should not be the criminals should not hack our mind too with our cyber computers. Invest in antivirus firewall and spam blocking software in your PC, as I told. Detect secure websites when conducting transactions online. Do not respond or act on emails sent from unknown resources because they can cause social engineering attacks. So, I told you all about cyber attacks. And thank you for having a good day and listening to my PPT. Thank you very much.